This is a shout out to all you beautiful goddesses out there. Or if you're watching, you know who you... Yeah. Did you hear me? Is there too many background sounds? Because you know what I'm here to talk about, right? Water clean power plants, garden dome homes. I've finished the description and I'm going to keep writing notes on my Facebook. Yeah, I got Facebook under the same name. And so, like, and, you know, I was, yeah, that, and, so, these garden dome homes, they don't have to be garden dome homes. They could be shop homes. Just as long as they're in the form of a dome. You know, because the dome and like the wind, you can blow the dome. Put a dome in a square house in a wind tunnel. Turn the wind up as high as you can turn it and see which one's staying. See which one's standing after 10 minutes. I counts. What the heck? I think my eyeball's trying to pop out of my forehead. So, hang it. Spirits keep tugging on my ears. Someone keeps patting me in the forehead. And I keep seeing the goat. And I'm sober. If you can believe that. Holy shit. Drinking coffee with cow in it. And it's a pretty strong coffee. It don't taste as good as beer though. I like beer way better. Beer tastes so much better than coffee. Coffee has like the sobering effect, and I don't like that. You know, even though I had to learn to live with it for many, many years on end, now that I get a chance to not be sober, they want me to be sober. Spirits, why? Why you ain't using me for nothing, spirits, but to sit here and yab at my newest friend, Kim. Shout out to the spirits. Spirits. Shout out to the goddess. The goddess. I still tinkle in my brain. And a quick one. Just to give you a little patch. Where'd you go? You disappeared. Where'd you go? Oh, man. So, where was we? What? Yes. See, it's real. Alright. Can you not open up one of the clothes then? Thank you. Close it all the way. Just sit down over there and we'll have a good old conversation. But you got to sit over here so I can look at you. And still sit. There you go. Yeah. You don't see that spirit sitting on the bed? You know, watch that spirit, it'll start winking at you every now and then. Start winking at you. Just watch that spirit on the bed. Just came in the door and it's on the bed. let me know if it starts moving stuff around over there, 'cause, you know, but now that we have more it'll be okay. It'll be okay. Cause I said it'll be okay. Cause we're gonna build heaven on earth and you're invited to. Yeah. We're gonna build heaven on earth in the form of garden dome homes. Perfect living condition. And you know what? It's affordable because it's made from stone and hemp. Get it? Stone hemp. That's funny, huh? So, you have stone hemp mixture, which makes a lightweight rock that's pliable, you know, and then it hardens, you know, on this framing, you know, while these panels that are made in the factory, and these ribs that are made in the factory, so you can put all your plumbing down the sides, through the walls, you know. Then you can run your plumbing out one side, and then you can run your trash out the other side, and what happens is you just plug right into it, and plug right into the system, see, with your dome, because one day they're going to be flying garden dome homes. That's right. And you'll be able to fly from one landing pad and plug into their system, you know. And then you can throw your garbage away, and it'll go down a corkscrew pipe, and it'll travel out to its refinery where it's turned into fuel. And then, you know, along with your sewage, you plug your line in, and then it just, you know, it gets carted off and separated, incinerated, and not dumped out into the river where it can float out into the sea and build up on the shores and start stinking and causing disease and lung inflammation. Some thick air that's, you know, see, we can clean all that good stuff right on up. That's the whole idea in the first place. Ain't that right, Spirit? Yeah. So, listen, you don't see that blue tent moving around? You don't see that? Yeah, dang it, you're off my neck. Yeah, my neck itching, you fucker. Just trying to get in. So, spurts. Made me forget what I was talking about. Corkscrewing food down into the city refinery. You know, so now you don't have no waste to throw away out in the ocean. And now you don't have no food to throw away out in the river. So, you know, then you have no smog because, you know, what's been incinerated, the oil's condensed, because everything's used, nothing's thrown away, everything's used. Even the air coming off is burnt air full of carbon dioxide. And that burnt air is pushed off into a bush dome, where the bushes, you know, it's filtered through water, and lily pads and bushes eat the carbon dioxide comes off the refineries. So there's no smoke, there's no exhaust. It just comes out clean air out the garden dome, you know, because it'll go from one dome into the next dome like the air will be sucked in from the top over here, and it'll be brought in over here and bubbles up through the water over there. And then by the time it gets through the second dome, it'll be nice, clean, oxygen-related air, you know. So we have better, well, we want to put an oxygen output into the air, right? That's what the desire is, to plant trees, and then to plant hemp around trees. And then we can cut the hemp and use the fibers, whereas we would have used the trees at one time. That enables us to breathe in the open air. If you keep cutting trees and you keep burning trees, you're going to need garden dome homes that are sealable. Because garden dome homes, it refines its own air, it cleans it through the gardening system, you know, and through your ball. See, I designed a ball that grows specifically for growing this green slime that grows on fresh water, you know, and it takes carbon out of the water and turns it into oxygen and puts it in the air. And see, the air we breathe, this carbon dioxide will be sucked up through there and put into, so it goes through filter sand, you know, bubbles up through filter sand first, and then it gets locked into the water, and then it gets trapped under the seaweed, under the green, mossy, fresh water, plankton stuff, algae stuff, you know, green stuff, and it produces oxygen, and then that is filtered through the garden water. So it oxidates the garden water, you know, giving the fish air to breathe through the waterfall too, which creates a humidity, which creates a humidity, you know, in the garden space like this. So, you know, the waterfall falls in the middle and then the air circulates it like this all the time. But in a donut shape, it's a tutorial energy field, a tutorial energy field created when you put a round waterfall in the middle of a dome, you know, in the garden space. And the tutorial, that will help plants and stuff grow better, faster, cleaner, healthier, especially if we put our own minerals in it, in the water, our own minerals and plant foods, plant vitamins and stuff. It'll be very good for the plants. You know, see, yeah, everything works together in harmony, you know, and with the tutorial field going, that's the waterfall in the middle of the garden splashing down on rocks that, you know, trickles down underneath into your water basin, and that water basin holds your fish in there, which, you know, the fish feeds the little bugs in the rocks that, you know, that turns it into plant food in the water. You know, fish pee and poop goes into the little rocks, and then the little bugs break it down, turn it into plant food. So there's a nice little recycle system going, you know, with the tutorial, the turtle, you know, I call it the turtle field, and it's just a field of energy, and the donut goes round in circles like that, but in the shape of a donut. And with that going in place, you know, it creates like a little breeze in the garden area. Yeah. There's things, you know, if you don't keep sterile in there, but if you keep it sterile, then you won't have to worry about, you know, certain things, like definitely won't have to worry about bugs or outside contaminants unless you bring the outside contaminants in, which, that would be very cool, because having a garden dome home gives the owner a means of employment, in-home employment on food production, and then that food production can be sold worldwide or traded, like, oh, they make some pretty cool stuff, well, we'll trade you for some food, some dry food, stuff like that, make business trades, good trade, make good trade, as the elders would say, make good trade, so as long as we're making good trade, we're in profit, and see, good trade can come back, and then can be put out in the malls, and wholesale and retail, just like a normal city, but using, a Pacific banking system. It would be cool if I could get a bank to back me. I would like Banner Bank, but I gotta put a lot of money in it first, so then we can talk to them. Until then, I guess I'm sitting here scribbling on paper, waiting for the moment to rise. Because heaven on earth is a beautiful thing, and it's a worthy thing, and it would definitely be a future worth coming back to. So, the thing is, it's going to take community and unity. Community and unity. And like minds the same goal, following your heart. And building heaven on earth is the main objective and goal. To create the perfect living conditions. In a smog-free city, pollution-free, where everybody has garbage cans, and everybody that lives there has a place to live, and of course the city will be open up to visitors and things like that, as long as you park your fossil fuel driven vehicles at the far end of the gate, and you can rent an air powered vehicle for your time that you spend in heaven on earth, the first freshwater oasis, energy provider of the world. It's a good dream to dream, and I'm inviting you to dream it with me. I would hope you'd want to dream it with me. Yeah. I would hope you'd want to dream it with me. To be an angel. Be an angel of heaven on earth. Wow. Wow.